Samsung Good Lock module added the amazing animation effect when you unlock your Samsung device. Now here we unlock my S25 Ultra and you can see the amazing animation effect when you unlock it. So you can see list of different types of animation effects. So let's see one by one all the amazing animation effect you can apply to the lock screen or unlock your Samsung device. So first of all, open the Good Lock on your Samsung device. You can download it from the Play Store or the Galaxy Store on your device. After that, open the Good Lock on your device. In the Good Lock, you need to find the LockStar module on your Samsung device. If you can't find it, you can find link in the description for the APK files to download it on your Samsung device. To download and install the latest LockStar update that will helpful to apply the amazing animation effect to the lock screen. Create a new lock screen and always on display style. Now in the LockStar, you need to show the version. Make sure this version is installed on your device. So scroll down and here you can find the new option 8.5.00.8. This is the new supported for the One UI 8.5 version that will include added the new unlock animation effects. So make sure install this version. And now let's see the list of all the animation effects you can apply on your Samsung lock screen. So lock your Samsung device, long press on the blank space on the lock screen, unlock your Samsung phone. Now here you can find the LockStar option. Make sure this option is available to apply this amazing animation effect to the lock screen. So tap on the LockStar and here you can find the new option unlock animation. This option is only available after this latest LockStar update on your Samsung device. So tap on the unlock animation. Now here you can find the list of different animation type. First one is the slide option. So this is the option how it looks. You can see the expand option. Third one is the spread option, wave option. You can also individually customize it. First let's see all the animation type. The wrap option. This is the ripple option. We apply in my lock screen. Mosaic option. We use currently this. Head option. Wiper option like this. Paint option. And the last one is the glitch option. So this is the list of all the animation type you can apply to the lock screen on your device. Also you can individually change it, like here we select the slide option. In the slide you can see the direction down to up to down, left to right, or right to left effect you want to apply. Also increase or decrease the animation time, like here we increase the type. If you want to fast, just select, move the left side to fast, move the right side to slow down the speed. So you can change the animation time, animation speed, direction. Also you can select the interpolator for easy in, easy out. You want to set linear bouncer if you want to set the bounce like this on your device. Also custom set you want on your device, adjust you want, and you can see it will apply to the screen. So you can customize it also different animation type. Just select the animation type. You can increase or decrease the animation speed also for the all option available. Also set the interpolator for if you want like bouncer. So you can see the different option in the speed. You can see the circle option, like flower option or heart shape option on your device. Also change the color, like we select the orange color and you can see how it looks. So that's it. If you like it, share it. Thank you for watching this.